developed in Lydia in the early 7th century BC. Greek colonists from many city-states fanned out in ever-widening circles to the Black Sea and Thrace in the east, to Sicily, southern Italy, France and Spain in the west. Although not colonies in the modern sense, but independent agricultural settlements, this epoch-making movement changed the face of the Mediterranean. The Eastern Aegean became the meeting point for new cultural forces from Syria, Mesopotamia, and even India. The 5th and 4th centuries BC saw an unparalleled flowering of culture, especially in Athens, this small community producing dramatists such as Aeschylus, Sophocles, Euripides, and Aristophanes. Euripides alone is reputed to have written 92 plays, many of which can still be read and performed today. It was also the era of the historians, Thucydides and Herodotus, of Demosthenes and Pericles, the political orators, and of the philosophical giants Plato and Aristotle. Temples were rebuilt, and in 447 BC, work began on the Parthenon. When completed, its 50 massive columns supported a continuous frieze 525 feet long, 335 feet of which can still be admired by 20th century visitors. The Acropolis in the center of Athens was adorned with a mass of exquisite buildings. In addition, this era also saw the beginnings of scientific philosophy. The Babylonians had recorded eclipses, but the Greeks asked why they happened. The Egyptians had used geometry for measurement, but the Greeks developed Pythagoras' theorem. Rather than taking things at face value, the Greek thinkers set out to explore the logic behind them. The sophistication of Greek culture is also reflected in their famous black and red figure pottery. This found a ready market all over the Greek trading area and has been found as far afield as India, Central Russia, and southwest Germany. However, these achievements were not the product of a problem-free society. The threat posed by the conflict between rich and poor and slave revolt increased with the introduction of commercial agriculture and large estates. The small